Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. We're halfway through the week. Today is Wednesday. Everybody needs to practice saying today is
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. We're still in the month
April.
of April. And it is the 29th.
29th.
Wednesday, April 29th. It is supposed to be
Sunny.
sunny. So go outside, play, get some vitamin D going. And it is supposed to be 84 degrees. So we're still going to go with the hot person. So let's get dressed.
Bottoms, shorts. Tops. Tops, tank top.
But now make sure, if you're in a short
Sandals.
and tank top, that you have sunscreen on if you go outside.
Hats.
And we can
Baseball
wear a
hat.
hat because it's going to be
No
sunny.
hat.
Boop.
Baseball hat.
Since
Accessories.
it's going to be sunny, let's put some
Sunglasses.
sunglasses on. And we are
Outerwear.
not going to need a
No
coat today.
outerwear.
All right, ladies and gents, today's weather, Wednesday, April 29th, 2020, sunny and hot. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Make sure you log in and check the schedule for today's assignments. Get them done. As always, if you have any questions, please log in to mine or Miss S's tutoring times and we'll be happy to help. Miss y'all.